as we come up here and we open up, a lot of people want to know how this worked. And this is how they're worked and how they're built. First, every shelf has a label of some sort. And some of them are actually extra cool, like tuna fish and pineapple. They come in the shorter cans, so you can actually put 2 cans, one in the front and one in the back. But they're marked all the way down, like stereo magnet clips that hold them. Construction-wise, you can see that they have a header above. Looks like it's built onto a 2x6 stud pack for the door. And then they just put the shelves in and slotted each shelf in with another piece of wood to hold up the one. So it's a built-in racking system. And then everything looks like it's sloped probably 3 inches down. So as you come over here to the other side of this rack, it's the same construction. And now this is a non-load bearing wall, or if it is load bearing, it has a beam above the whole thing, so it doesn't matter. Then we come over here, and a lot of people ask, how would you know what the can dates are, what kind of food it is? Well, the shelves are labeled to tell you the food, and the bottom of the can will tell you how old it is. Like this can is from March 31st, 2009 that I found in the wall. Just take a can, stick it in here. Oh, whoops. Do it in one that's not marked tomato sauce, so it's shorter. But do it in one that's full cans of tomato sauce.